Jump a BMX bike ramp. Jumping a BMX bike from a ramp can really pump up your adrenaline. The split-second suspension in the air gets your spirits high and blood rushing all over your body. So now, here's the basic on how you can jump your BMX bike on a ramp. Ensure safety first. It helps to be extra careful to avoid any accidents. Be sure that you have all the proper gears such as helmets, gloves, and even knee pads before you go riding your BMX bike. You should also check the sturdiness of your bike as well as the inflation of each tire. Jumping your BMX. There are 3 points when jumping a ramp. It includes the pre-launch, the actual jump and landing. Try to get a feel at each point and make sure that you have a perfect transition from each phase. Pre-launch. Familiarize yourself with the ramp. Survey the area on where you want to jump and where you plan to land after. Take in consideration the distance you need for the pre-launch of your BMX bike. Remember that your speed varies on what jump you are to do with the ramp. Lower your upper body towards the bike and pedal down as you approach the ramp. Jump proper. Make sure that you gathered enough momentum to propel yourself across the ramp. Be mindful of your center of gravity to enable maximum lift from the ramp. Pull the handlebars and lean your BMX bike to have angled tricks and jumps. Just be careful and keep your balance at all times. At that brief moment in the air, make sure to move in the direction where you want to land. Landing. Prepare yourself for the slight impact as you descend from a great jump. Stability and balance should be emphasized at this phase of jumping your BMX bike. Remember to hold your handlebars steadily to prevent crashing down. Let your whole weight shift downwards as you ride along the end of the jump. Do practice. Start with small and simple jumps to get the feel inscribed with your body. Gradually increase the distance and difficulty of your jumps as your skills improves. Remember that consistency is the key to get better at this. Give time for practice to improve your jumps. Develop your own techniques over time and try to perfect it at each jump. You can also tweak your BMX bike every time you practice for best results. Just remember to know your current limits to avoid untoward incidents during practice. Enjoy the sport. You can group yourself with people that are in the know-how of this extreme sport. Have a great time riding with your new friends and enjoy yourself on the ramp. Have a mentor who you can look up to and learn various jump techniques. Now you can floor the ramp with a great jump from your BMX bike. Reach greater heights with your BMX and feel the adrenaline rush all over again every time you fly high.